Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Sharp dishwasher and fix common problems quickly. First, turn off your dishwasher and unplug it from the power outlet. Waiting a few minutes allows the internal electronics to fully power down. Next, press and hold the Start Reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. On most Sharp models, this clears error codes and resets the control board. Plug the dishwasher back in and turn it on. Select a standard wash cycle and press Start. This will initialize the system and restore default settings. If your dishwasher has a digital display showing an error code, note the code before resetting. After the reset, check if the error disappears. Persistent issues may require professional service. Also, make sure the door is fully closed and the water supply is on. The dishwasher won't reset or start if it detects a door latch or water flow problem. By following these steps, you can reset your Sharp dishwasher and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.